Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. A group of 35 federal lawmakers under di auspices of reformed-minded lawmakers don dey advocate for di amendment of 1999 constitution for a single term of 6 years for di president and governor. Di legislators too dey advocate make dem review di constitution wey go provide for di conduct of all elections from di local government to di presidency for one day, so dat e go save cost for di nation and reduce money to do election. Na where dem dey address news conference today for National Assembly. Di group want make all pre-election matter finish 30 days before dem go conduct election. Dem say to dey conduct election when pre-election matter still dey court no dey helpful at all to di electoral process. Tok for di group, Honourable Ikenga Ugochinyere, say na dia view make dem amend di constitution and take note of di 6 geopolitical zones. Also, make dem introduce 2 vice presidents wey go take care of emergency issue like in case president kpain. Dis further tori dey inside di nation. Federal High Court for Abuja don grant bail to social media influencer and blogger Martins Vincent Ose aka Very Dark Man. Ose, wey spend almost 3 weeks inside de ten tion, get im freedom from police after e satisfy all im bail condition today. Na viral video on X show where dem dey set am free. Popular Nigerian blogger Tunde Ednut too confirm im release on inside Instagram post. E write am put say dis morning, Very Dark Man seen in court, bail has been granted to him and arrangements are currently being made. He will be home once he finishes that. We hear say Federal High Court remand Ose on top cybercrime charges on Wednesday, May 22, 2024. Dem say na 5 counts charge wey relate to cyber stalking dem take charge Very Dark Man. One of di charge say Very Dark Man post for Instagram videos wey get offence, pornographic, obscene and some other things wey no good for eyes to see for social media. Dis further tori dey inside di nation. Organised labour don vow to reject 62,000 naira or 100,000 naira as minimum wage proposal for Nigerian workers by di federal government. Na inside Channels Television interview today, Assistant General Secretary of di Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC), Chris Onyeka, describe dat kind proposal as starvation wage. Onyeka insist say labour no go accept di latest government offer of 62,000 naira as dem tok say di living wage for average Nigerian workers remains 250,000 naira. E say dem no go negotiate starvation wage. Onyeka say dem no think of 100,000 naira, talk less of 62,000 naira, because na reality of marketplace, realities of the things dem dey buy everyday make dem consider 250,000 naira. E say di 1 week grace dem give federal government to review im proposal last week Tuesday go expire by midnight tomorrow. After dis, organised labour go meet to decide on di resumption of di nationwide industrial action if federal government and National Assembly fail to act on workers' demand by tomorrow. Dis further tori dey inside Punch. Popular Yoruba actress and comedian Ramota Adetu aka Aunty Ramota, we hear say don enter coma after she do Brazilian boot lift (BBL) wey we know as bum surgery for one hospital for Ikorodu on Saturday, June 8. Na one blogger wey im name be Tosin Silverdam inside Instagram post claim say Aunty Ramota don go do BBL surgery so dat she go fine well. She say di procedure result into complications wey make Aunty Ramota enter coma. Dis incident don spark many reactions for social media as some pipo dey pity am. Na so some pipo dey ask why she go do dat kind thing. Some pipo even talk say na skit, make dem forget, no doctor go do dat kind thing for her. Which leg she go take carry the ikebe? Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. If una gbadun dis story, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so that we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.